Not sure if your boiler needs a repair or full replacement? Here's how to tell. Most boilers last about 15 to 20 years. If yours is older and breaking down often, repairs may only be a temporary fix. Rising energy bills, uneven heat, strange noises, or visible leaks are all signs your system may be losing efficiency. Newer boilers run quieter, heat more evenly, and cost less to operate. The best way to know for sure is a professional inspection. Call Perry Aire Services today at 540-286-6963 to get honest answers and restore your home's comfort fast.